So let's open both the palms in our lap. Let's find our attention again in that space of silence. And let's take our attention to our Mooladhara center at the very base of our spine. Let's feel our connection with Mother Earth. Let the roots of my Mooladhara go deeper into the earth. Let my roots become strong. Let my roots be nourished by Mother Earth. Oh Mother Earth, please give us a strong basis, a strong foundation to our spiritual ascent. Give us the strength, the stability, the steadiness that you have, so that we can go deeper in our spiritual journey. Let me feel harmony with the nature, rising effortlessly with every wave, falling with every wave, without any resistance, without getting swayed, but in complete connection, in complete harmony. Let me move with the flow of life, just like the waves on an ocean. Let me feel that quality of harmony manifest in my awareness. Let's keep our attention on our Mooladhara center. If we also can put our attention on our Sahasrara, the top of our head, we can do so. Otherwise, let's just keep our attention on our Mooladhara. Let me feel the quality of balance. The balance of a tall and steady mountain, witnessing the play of creation. witnessing the play of seasons without getting disturbed, without getting affected, without getting displaced, maintaining its poise, its balance, like an ancient sage. Let me feel that balance of my Mooladhara center. Let that balance manifest in my awareness. Let me feel my innocence, the innocence that is in the smile of a child, the innocence that is in the fragrance of flowers, the innocence that is in the flutter of butterflies, the innocence that is in the color of rainbows. Let all the clouds that cover my innocence be removed, and let the light of innocence shine in my awareness. Let these qualities of harmony, balance, and innocence integrate in my awareness and allow me to feel the joy of this moment, the joy of creation, the joy of pure being, the joy of existence, the joy of simply being alive, the joy of Brahmanand. Now we will slowly raise our Kundalini using our right palm along our central channel. And we'll place it on top of our head. Let's do this 3 times. And at the end, let us massage the top of our head with the center of our right palm. Now, we will say Om 3 times, feeling our top of our head, feeling the central channel and our Mooladhara. Let's raise our right palm a few inches above our head. Let's take our attention in that gap above our head while we bring our right palm back to our lap. Now let's just feel the silence of our Sahasrara. In the silence of our Sahasrara, a primordial consciousness awakens from the dream of limited you to recognize itself. Consciousness that is complete peace. Consciousness that is eternal, infinite. Consciousness that is pure love. Consciousness that is pure vibrations. So let's take a few deep breaths. And then we slowly open our eyes. So let us maintain our attention above our head.